Surprising animal sleep habits. Have you ever wondered how animals sleep? Some species have developed unique sleeping habits that may surprise you. Let's take a look at some of the fascinating ways animals have adapted to make the most of their sleep. Otters may win the prize for the most amazing sleeping habits in the animal kingdom. They are known to wrap themselves in seaweed to keep themselves steady while they sleep. Up to 100 otters have been observed wrapping seaweed to form otter rafts. Otter mothers also use seaweed to wrap their pups on their chests, as the babies cannot swim when they are first born. Orangutans and other great apes have also evolved creative ways to sleep. They bend the foliage into intricate sleeping games, to which they dance in the trees or on the ground. This could take up to 3 days a week, giving them any excuse to avoid the monkey trade. Bats are another animal with interesting sleeping habits. Brown bats are one of the sleepiest animals out there. They've been recorded sleeping close to 20 hours a day, while they sleep upside down. One species of bat sleeps with one eye open, a phenomenon known as unihemispheric sleep. In this, one half of the brain, and one eye, is asleep at a time, while the other is awake, often on the lookout for predators. Large animals that live on open plains, such as horses, are extremely vulnerable to predators while they sleep. They have developed models of their anatomy to help them sleep standing up, allowing them to escape at a moment's notice. Zebras and elephants, among other large creatures, use similar systems. However, within the herd, some horses sleep lying down while others sleep standing up. Birds that fly for days or weeks on long journeys, such as albatrosses, must doze in the air in some way. Scientists once thought they fell asleep while flying, but it turns out they only sleep for 45 minutes while in the air, usually after dark. Birds also often sleep with one side of their brain at a time during flight, unihemispheric sleep. Desert snails spend their summers at rest, in virtual hibernation until the cooler months. In the 1840s, a desert snail tricked the British Museum into believing it was a rare natural stone. It wasn't until 4 years later that museum staff noticed traces of slime on the card it had been attached to. The snail was put into the water, and it immediately crawled out of its stone and came to life. From otters to horses, and from bats to snails, the animal kingdom is full of surprises when it comes to sleeping habits. Who knows what other cool behaviors we haven't discovered yet?